Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of curtain making. Have you ever looked at a curtain and wondered how it goes from a simple roll of fabric to a beautiful addition to your home decor? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore the art and craftsmanship that bring curtains to life. 1. Choosing the right fabric. The first step in curtain making is selecting the perfect fabric. The choice of fabric not only influences the look and feel of the curtains, but also their functionality. Are you looking for something lightweight and airy, or perhaps something heavy for added privacy? Cotton, linen, silk, and polyester are just a few options, each offering unique textures and properties. Don't forget about color and pattern, these can make a big impact. 2. Measuring and cutting. Next up is the precision work, measuring and cutting. Measure the width and height of your windows, considering the extra length for a dramatic effect or the exact fit you're aiming for. With measurements in hand, it's time to cut the fabric. Remember, it's always better to cut a bit larger. You can always trim down, but you can't add more fabric once it's cut. 3. Sewing and hemming. Now comes the part where your fabric transforms into a curtain, sewing. Start by sewing the edges to prevent fraying, then move on to creating the hem. The hem adds weight and gives the curtains a polished look. If you're adding lining or pleats, this is the time to do it. Lining can give your curtains a fuller look and improve insulation, while pleats add a touch of elegance. 4. Adding finishing touches. With the sewing complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Ironing or steaming your curtains ensures they hang perfectly and look crisp. This final step is what takes your curtains from handmade to professionally crafted. Add any additional details like hooks, rings, or decorative trims to match your decor. Your custom-made curtains are ready to hang and admired. And there you have it, the art of curtain making, from fabric to finish. Whether you're crafting curtains for your own home or starting a new hobby, we hope this guide has inspired you to take on your own curtain making project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.